Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video in Jessica's Corner. Today we're going to talk about all things skincare. So this video is not sponsored. However, I was gifted all of these products by Urban Skin RX because I am a glow getter. So I am a part of Urban Skin RX affiliate partner program. So I will include my affiliate link down below, and I will also include my coupon code down below. And if you would like to go to urbanskinrx.com and purchase any of these products, please do feel free. In addition to that, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of the products mentioned here, or maybe some of the other products that I may have tried out previously, please feel free to comment below. This video is going to cover all of my favorite Urban Skin RX products. I am going to try to present these products in the order of usage if you intended to use any of them. Now, some of these products you don't need to use all at the same time, but I at least will try to mention what part of the facial care process you might need to incorporate each product. So first we're going to start with one that I'm using avidly right now, which is the Urban Skin RX Clear Skin Cleansing Bar. Now this particular product is good for deep cleaning your pores, and it's good for oily and blemish prone skin. So I am both. I am oily and I am acne prone. This product helps to offer a blend of sulfur and salicylic acid. It's perfect for removing oil and deeply cleaning breakout prone skin while reducing the appearance of dark spots. So for me, because I am acne prone, oftentimes I do end up with some dark spots. And also I want to mention that when you use this, it does come with the little sponge. I'm not going to take it out, but it comes with like a sponge that you can use to exfoliate your skin. Once you apply the lather onto your face, I do also want to mention that you are able to allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes after that, and it will actually function as a facial mask. I don't know if a lot of people know that, so I always try to make sure that I mention that when I'm discussing this particular product. Now what I will also mention is that because of the salicylic acid and the sulfur in this, I would recommend that you use some kind of moisturizer after the fact, because salicylic acid can sometimes, salicylic acid, that's why I kept pausing, because I know I was saying it wrong. It can sometimes be drying to the skin. Another thing, if you get this product, please note that you take the sponge that comes with it out and let the sponge sit on the top. Do not leave the sponge in there. It won't dry up the way that it needs to. Trust me, I know. Alright, so for my acne and blemish prone girls, they do have this acne and blemish control mask. Now this particular mask is a dual action treatment that fights acne, prevents future breakouts, and improves the appearance of dark spots left behind by acne. It also reduces the appearance of pores and minimizes blackheads for a clarified complexion. Now this one has niacinamide and salicylic acid. Of course, it helps to fight off these horrible breakouts that we get from time to time. This particular product, I would suggest that you follow this after using the cleanse, and so here's why. This cleansing bar would help to get that initial oil buildup that's been sitting on your face all day. It would help to eliminate that. This would then go deep into your pores to clean out whatever is there. So when you apply this, make sure that you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. You will start to notice that it will start to dry out some. And then after that, of course, rinse it off. This is something that you would need to use 1 to 2 times a week. This is not a daily thing, unless you use it as a spot treatment. You are able to use this product as a spot treatment. So if you have like one bump that pops up somewhere, put it on that, and you can use this as like a drying action cream. It will fight to pull everything out of that one pimple. I just would not suggest you putting this on your face every day, because of course it's pulling everything out of your skin, and that's not necessarily good for everyday use. All right, so a few things that I would follow up with. This is another scrub. I would not suggest using this following the Blemish and Acne Prone mask. I would actually suggest using this Brighter Days Dark Spot AHA polish. Use this after the cleansing bar. So this is more of an exfoliant. It helps to exfoliate dead skin and smooth rough textures. It also helps to brighten the skin. Now, this also assists in eliminating and lightening those dark spots. Please note, this one can encourage sunburn. If you know that you're going to have extensive exposure to the sun, then you need to make sure that you wear sunscreen when you use this, because it is one of those things that can unfortunately cause sunburn if you're going to be out in the sun. Most often, I would suggest you using this when you know you're going to be inside most of the time. This is also something that you would need to use. Let me make sure I'm giving you the right time frame. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. Now, this is more of a less abrasive scrub than some of the other ones. This one does have vitamin C in it, so the smell of it is very refreshing as you're scrubbing into your skin. A little bit also goes a long way with this one. So, you know, you just kind of work it in throughout your skin. Make sure to avoid your eyes, please. And you will begin to notice like there's just this fresh feeling while you're using it, and then as you begin to work it through, it just works to get rid of that dead skin. You'll start to notice there's a brighter appearance. Your texture, you will receive like an automatic smoothness. Now, I'm not gonna say that this is a smoothing skin product, but you will just be able to tell a difference that, oh my gosh, my skin feels really soft right now. And not to say that your skin is not soft to begin with, but this is one of those things where there's some obvious softness that occurs after one use. And of course, I don't know if I mentioned this, but it does help to even out the tone and minimize the appearance of those dark spots due to acne prone skin. Now, the last 3 products would be the products that you would follow up with after you've done either that scrub or that mask. Now, this Radiant and Bright Glowing Moisturizer, it does require that you use a 30 SPF with it. And you can apply this 1 to 2 times daily. So this is actually a daily use product. And this is a non-pore clogging moisturizer that helps to reduce the appearance of lines while intense hydration for day and night. And it also improves the feel of rough skin if you're experiencing that. Like I said, hydrates, smooths, and softens. It's for combination skin, so great for my acne prone oily girls. This is a lightweight moisturizer. I want to mention a little bit goes a long way with this product. So, you know, if you're concerned about price and usage and just it being long lasting for you, I would just note that this does a great job of getting the job done with a little bit. This actually says apply 1 to 2 pumps. I think you can get away with 1 pump. As long as you just, you know, dot it around your face versus just putting it on there and then trying to smear it around. Another kind of creamy consistency that I would suggest would be this Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. This is specifically for that follow-up of a breakout. If you are experiencing like a breakout currently, I would actually suggest that you use this. It says that it can be used for hyperpigmentation and aging skin. It improves the look of uneven skin tone, breakouts, post-breakout marks, dark spots, fine lines, and pore size. It is, to me, very moisturizing for those super stubborn dark marks that you have in your skin. This is a product that you need to go get, and you need to go get it now. Now, for the most part, a lot of people put this on at night. This is also one of those things that you need to make sure that you wear SPF 30 sunscreen. There is the possibility of sunburn if you're going to have extensive exposure, because retinol increases your sensitivity to the sun. Lastly, this retinol Ready Glow Gentle Resurfacing Night Oil. So I normally follow this oil up after I've used the Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot. So this is a nighttime oil, and it helps to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, fine lines, rough texture, and dehydrated skin. It gently smooths the skin and restores a brighter, healthier complexion. With this one, I could definitely mention, the name of it is Ready Glow. You will have a glow. Now, I don't know if you can tell as much. I did only put this oil on today because I plan to go to the gym later today, and so I don't want to just put on all of these different products to sweat it off and then have to reapply it. So I just put a little bit of this oil on there. This is also one of those things that you need to be cautious of because retinol is in this, so that means it increases your sensitivity to the sun. Make sure you use sunscreen. This is a nighttime oil though, so I guess you don't need sunscreen bedtime. Just make sure you're cognizant of that when you wake up in the morning, because again, if you know you're going to have extensive exposure to the sun tomorrow, probably not an oil you need to add on your face the night before. But I hope that you enjoyed my little spiel on my favorite Urban Skin RX products right now. I was experiencing a breakout when I started to jump back into my Urban Skin RX regimen. I have started to notice that I am, and I'll try, I guess. I don't know how much of this you guys can see because I might be too far away, but I will mention that there is a lot of lightness that I'm experiencing in relation to all of the dark spots that I've had from previous breakouts and the recent breakout as well. Over time, I just like the texture of my skin is definitely getting softer. Pores, I don't necessarily have enlarged pores, but sometimes when I wear makeup, I can tell the difference. So I will be sure to kind of observe that and make sure I'm giving it a little bit more attention so I can give you guys some feedback. Down below, comment what your favorite Urban Skin RX product is, and make sure you use either the coupon code or the link included below. Thanks so much for tuning into another video, and please come back and join me for another one next time.